Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to use my Boom Gel stains, and I'm going to have another attempt at that beautiful tree that I've seen all over the place. And I figured using my Boom Gels would be a good choice. So let's just start out. I'm gonna use white backgrounds here. And this is the Sterling Wax White. And as I normally do, I will list all the paints that I use at the end. Everything will be Boom Gel, except my cell activator, I believe that I'm going to be swiping with. I think I'm going to swipe with my Shelee Art cell activator today. So here we go. Putting down my white. Sorry I didn't do this earlier. And Boom Gel stains are all self-leveling. So even though if it looks like it's not leveled now, by the time it dries, everything will be all leveled out beautifully. I do love my Boom Gel. I love the colors and everything else that the effects that you get with it. Pour straight from the bottle. You don't have to worry about mixing it with anything. So that's one of the the benefits of using the Boom Gel. One of the many benefits. Okay. So let me give that a little toss. A few little bubbles in there, not too many. And let's give it a go. First color I have here is Pearlescent Dark Blue. Whoops. Get that out of there. And I'm going to do little stripes here. And next one is Pearlescent Teal. I didn't realize I had so many pearlescent colors. Then I'm going to use Native Violet Purple. Gorgeous color. Absolutely beautiful. And I have Pearlescent Yellow. Put this up on the top. Being that, maybe we can make it look a little sunsetty. And oh, that was mint. I forgot that the color was wrong on this here. So this here color is Pearlescent Mint, and here is the Pearlescent Teal. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful color. And here is Pearlescent Sunset. And we might want that sunset up on the top. Yeah, look at that. That is gorgeous. And I love the Crab Manna Blue. One of my favorites. Crab Manna Blue. And maybe we can give it another go on all these colors. Pearlescent dark blue. We have enough colors, lots of color in here. And I thought I would swipe in my iridescent Pebeo blue, green blue, for something different. See how that comes out. Maybe I'll start swiping on the top. So let me pour a little bit. I'll do that over here so you could see. Okay. Put that over here. Okay, here we go. Okay, colors are coming through. Got some cell action there. So I'll just be filling that up the same way. Yeah, looks like we're getting that cell action. If you could see that there, hope you could see what's going on. I'll try and remember to zoom in a little bit. Very happy with what I'm seeing here. That looks pretty cool. Instead of me trying to swipe the opposite way, I'm actually going to turn this around, because for me, it's just easier for me to swipe this way. So I hope you don't mind that I turn that. And yeah, I'm going to continue using this teal color as my swipe, because it really looks beautiful. I'm liking that. Yeah, it's really working out. So I hope everybody's had a good day today. I think here in California, in Los Angeles, if I looked out at the weather the right way, I think it said we were at 85 today. Yeah, that was a shocker. although I never made it out the door. But just gonna try and swipe this little thing right here. I don't wanna miss anything. We had quite a warm day today. A little unusual for this time of year. Everybody thinks, oh, you live in California, it's hot all the time, but it's a little chilly here at times. We don't get all hot weather. I'm always cold. Okay. So I seem to have gotten that little part there. So did I miss anything here? I think that looks pretty good. I think I got pretty good coverage, as you can see. Just see if I could stretch out a little to the edges over here. Oh, well, that's not exactly what I wanted to do. I don't want to mess this up because I need to have all that paint there for my tree. So maybe I better just leave everything the way it is and concentrate on swiping this tree now. So I'm wondering if I should use black cell activator, if that's what they swipe it with, rather than what I did for my, oh, I wonder if I should torch anything here. The torch. That looks pretty cool. Oh wait, my sunset should be the other side. So I need to turn this around, actually, because there's my sky up there. There we go. Okay, and so wish me a little luck with my tree. Where's my little scissor? I'll cut these up into little Okay, everyone, thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed my video today. I certainly enjoyed making this tree. I love trees. I've always loved trees. That's one of my things when I doodle. That's what I make. It's a tree. I like the way the swipe came with the boom gel. I love boom gels. Cass, I have to put this. I'll put this up on your Facebook page, because I know you're gonna love seeing this. But thank you, everyone. Have a great night. See you tomorrow. It's a poorer day. That's what I'm doing. I enjoyed this tree, and I'll do another tree another day, because I love my trees. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh, I have a blue thumb. Some people have green thumbs. I have a blue thumb. Okay. Thank you. See you soon. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye. Whoops. Almost forgot. Donna from Hollywood, signing off.